Okay, hello students. Welcome to the next session of the C programming. We will see today how to pass the array to the function. Let's proceed for the task. I will just click on the file. Let me just go for the file. This is where the new file you can just check it with the .cpp extension. So let's proceed for typing the code. So very first we will have the inclusion of stdio.h, that is what the header file for printf and scanf. Next we will have the inclusion of header file, that is console input output.h, that is conio.h. And let's have the main function over here. I will just create one array. So let's say this is what the array, which is with few elements. Let me just take the elements like 11, 22, 33. This is what the array we are having. This is obviously declared as well as initialized. Now if I pass this array to the function, let's say it is what the function display, I will just pass the name of the array. So this is where one can say that the call of function is done. Call of function. Now once this is done, we are not expecting anything from this particular function, that is display. We just need to display the output at the called function end itself. So this is what the display function. I will just clarify here the prototype of the display function. Let's go for this. It is void. Obviously it is not returning anything. Now since it is with the integer type of data, but it is array also, so that's why this has been declared in such a way that it is of array type. Fine. Now let's go for the definition of the display. So it will be obviously void display, and this is where we will just go for few of the code which is been accepting the array over here. Let's say this is what the array same name I am just considering over here. One can select the different name at the called function end. So this is where the definition starts. Now let's go for declaring one variable for the loop. Since we need to run the loop over here, I equal to 0, I less than 3 elements are over there. One can go for passing the other variable also, it doesn't matter. Okay, so for this, since we just need to display it, I will just display this element, that is percent %d. Okay, let's go for this format specifier, and since it is x of I, so element to be displayed is this one. Fine. So it is not returning anything. Let's go for running it. Okay, before that I will just save it. Okay, let me just save it with the different name. Let's say it is array and fun. Okay, this is what the extension I will use. Fine, let's compile it and run it. Okay, now you can see that 11, 22, 33 is displayed, which is nothing but the values which we are having. So this can be displayed with tab also, like this. Now the earlier output I just need to means clear out, so I will use the function clrscr. So this is what the clrscr will do. Let's compile it, and this is the output. So thank you everyone, thank you very much for the patient listening.